What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to Disney Dining at Home in El Rippy Kitchen. Just kidding. But today we have got something very cool and very good to eat, and that is Ohana wings and noodles. Yeah, they're pretty darn good. That is what I go to Ohana for. I mean, I do like eating the shrimp, but if I could just take home a bowl of the noodles, I would. And of course, who doesn't like chicken wings? Chicken wings are great. Now, a couple of things about today's recipe. We do have some substitutions and things are cooked a little bit differently. I'm pretty sure when you go to Ohana, the wings are not deep fried. That is how I like my wings cooked. I like them to be crispy and I like them to be almost dry because then I know that the wings have been cooked very well and thoroughly. And then as far as the noodles go, the debate online is up in the air on this entire recipe for the Ohana noodles. So I'm going to use Hokkien noodles. Most recipes are calling for a Yokosoba noodle, and I can't find those anywhere, even on Amazon. So that's our substitution for today. And of course, all of these recipes are subject to whatever you want to try because there isn't really an official one, I don't think. And yeah, enough rambling. Let's get to cooking. Alrighty, for the Ohana wings, this is going to be a honey coriander sauce. We're going to need chili powder, ground ginger, coriander, zest from 2 limes, soy sauce, and honey. And of course, you're also going to need chicken wings. In a saucepan, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of chili powder. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of ground ginger. We're going to need 1 cup of soy sauce. Then we're going to do 1 cup and 3/4 cups of honey. And then 1/4 cup of coriander. And then we're also going to add in the zest of 2 limes. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's all we've really got to do for the wing sauce, other than just now let it cool. And then whenever we're ready to eat the wings, we're going to toss it with the wings. All right, now for our Ohana noodles, we're going to need a couple of different things. We're going to need some brown sugar, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, garlic, ginger, cornstarch, pineapple juice, which can be store-bought, but this is fresh. Go check out Copycat Cocktails. And we're also going to need some Yokosoba noodles. Again, I have substituted with these. And then I've also gone through the process of shredding red and green cabbage. So the first thing that we are going to do is dissolve all ingredients except the cornstarch and pineapple juice in a sauce pot. So we're going to add 2 cups brown sugar, 1 3/4 cups of soy sauce, 3/4 cups of rice wine vinegar. We're going to do 1 1/4 tablespoons of garlic, 1 1/4 tablespoons of ginger, and we're going to bring all of that to a boil. Next, we're going to make a slurry with cornstarch and pineapple juice, which I've already done, and then we're going to add it to our boiling mixture. Oh, and also make sure that your pot doesn't boil over because you have this happen. Once we've added that, we're going to let it simmer for about 30 minutes. We're going to saute the red and green cabbage, which I've done. Then we're going to add the noodles, add in a little bit of the sauce, and cook it all together. And once that's done, we're just going to take it out. I separated it into 2 different bowls and then added some extra sauce to it. All right, so we've got it all done. We've got the wings made. We've got the noodles made. I tasted the sauce and it tasted pretty good. Let's see how these noodles turned out. I'm a little unsure about the noodles. They're not too bad. I would say next time I would probably go a little bit less on the soy sauce. And another thing too, the recipes don't really stipulate how much noodles to use versus the sauce. And same way with the chicken wings. I did a 4-pound bag of chicken wings, which I bought frozen, and then I thawed them out during the day. And we've got a ton of sauce left over. We still have a ton of sauce left over for more noodles later on. So definitely, I would get some jars, jar that up. Let's try one of these wings though. Not too bad. I think I would probably use maybe 1 lime less for zest, because I do get that punch of a little bit of lime in there. And then I think I would also add a little bit more honey, maybe another 1/4 cup, maybe a 1/2 cup. Makes them a little bit more sticky, A little bit more saucy. Now the sauce probably could cool down a little bit. That'd make it a little more thicker. But all in all, not too bad. Is it exactly the same as Ohana? Of course not. You can't get the same thing unless you go there. But still pretty good. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys try this, what it turned out like, how it tasted, and don't forget, when you share it on social media, don't forget to tag us and some other hashtag that has to do with Disney dining at home, I guess.